Rules for ray diagram for concave mirror and convex mirror. Now, this is a concave mirror and this is a convex mirror. Whenever you will make a ray diagram for concave mirror or for convex mirror, we will follow some rule. Now, what is that rule? We will learn in this video. Now, this point is called pole, this is called focus, this is called radius of curvature or center of curvature, and this line is called principal axis. This right side is polished part and left side of this mirror is reflecting surface. Means a concave mirror means a mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inward. Now this reflecting surface is curved inward, means this is a concave mirror. When a ray comes parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it will return through focus. This is rule number 1 of concave mirror. And in rule number 2, when a ray is passed through focus, when a ray is passed through focus, it will reflect parallel to the principal axis. This line is principal axis and this ray and this line is parallel to each other. This is rule number 2 of concave mirror. When a ray is passed through focus, it will reflect parallel to the principal axis. And in rule number 3, we have when a ray is passed through curvature, whenever ray is passed through curvature, this ray will return from the same path. If this ray is in this direction, then after reflection it will return from the same path. And in rule number 4, we have when a ray is passed through pole, this ray gets reflect by making equal angle. This is rule number 4 of concave mirror. When a ray is incident on pole, it will reflect back by making equal angles. So this is the rule for concave mirror. Now we will see rule for convex mirror. When a ray is passed parallel to the principal axis, when a ray is passed parallel to the principal axis, now this is a convex mirror and this is focus and this is radius of curvature. You see in concave mirror, focus and radius of curvature we have left hand side, but in convex mirror, focus and curvature we have right hand side. So when a ray comes parallel to the principal axis, it appears to diverge from focus. This ray appears to diverge from focus. It seems that a ray is reflecting from focus. This ray gets reflected from this point, but it seems that this ray is appearing from focus. This is the rule for convex mirror. Now in rule number 2, we have when a ray is directed towards focus, this ray will get reflect, but it will reflect parallel to the principal axis. When a ray is directed towards focus, this ray get reflected from this polished part, but it will return parallel to the principal axis. This is rule number 2 of convex mirror. Now in rule number 3, we have when a ray is directed towards curvature, when a ray is directed towards the curvature, this ray will return back from the same path. This ray will return back from the same path. This is rule number 3. And this is now rule number 4. Now in rule number 4, we have when a ray is incident on this pole, this is pole. When a ray is incident on pole, this ray get reflect from this point of incident, but this ray will reflect back by making equal angle. Exactly the same that we have done for concave mirror. When a ray incident on pole, it will return back by making an equal angle. So this is the rules for making ray diagram in case of concave mirror and convex mirror. Whenever you will make a ray diagram, you have to use this 4 rule.